everybody. Thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. This is a great day. It's a good one. January 1, 2024. And it's a special good day because today is Double Smoked Ham Day. Yes, Double Smoked Ham Day at SmokinSteve's. We're going to fix it up good. The wife's not a big fan of ham, but we're going to fix it up to where even she likes it. We got a super glaze going on there at the end, right before we take it off. It's really going to make it delicious. So we got a spiral ham, and we're going to get that thing all doctored up, get it on the smoker, and we're going to be smoking today on the RecTeq 700 Bull, and we're going to be using Bear Mountain cherry pellets. This stuff is going to be good. Stick around. You're going to want to see how we do this. And we're going to turn a ham into a special ham on Double Smoked Ham Day here at SmokinSteve's. So let's get started. Okay, here's our ham. We picked this up at Costco, and it's a spiral sliced ham, and it's already been cooked and smoked with hickory wood. And here's their packet of ham glaze mix. It has sugar, brown sugar, spices, and honey. And we're going to utilize this packet here as well as something else we're going to be adding to it to make it a little something special. Okay, here she is all unwrapped. About 8.5 pounds. It's looking pretty good, but it's looking pretty naked here. We're going to fix that all up. But here's our setup. We got an aluminum pan underneath with this grate right here, and that'll allow the drippings to drip into the pan, and that'll allow the smoke to get all the way around the ham. But first of all, we're going to go ahead and get some seasoning on there, and we're going to be using this Montreal Grill Mates Smokehouse Maple, and we're going to get this thing coated up and get that grill heated up and get her smoking. Okay guys, before we get that all seasoned up, we're going to get some extra virgin olive oil on there, and we're going to be using this little sprayer here. It really comes in handy. Gets a nice coat on there. That'll give this rub something to stick to a little bit, act as a binder. And we'll follow that up with our seasoning. This is smelling good already, guys. This seasoning really smells good. We want to try to get that all the way around best we can. This is really going to be good. Get this seasoning on there. Let it take on some more smoke. Some of that cherry smoke. Be putting that glaze on there that came with it. But we're going to also doctor that glaze up with a little something special to give it a little extra oomph and flavor. So that's going to do it for our seasoning. We're going to go out there and get that RecTeq Bull fired up and get that up to temperature. We're going to be smoking today at 250 degrees. Okay, here's what we're going to be smoking on today. Is the RecTeq 700 Bull. So we're going to get this thing fired up. Simple process. Last cook was at 250. So we adjusted it right here. So we're going to just leave it at 250 and let this thing get heated up, and then we'll be putting that ham on. Okay, she got up to 250 in about 15 minutes, and we got a spiral ham on here now. So we got our temperature probe stuck in there, and we're just going to let this smoke for a little bit, get this lid closed. and let her smoke. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it's showing the ham at being 48 degrees. And the grill temperature did drop down to 158 when the lid was open. It's smoking away. I wish you could smell that cherry wood from Bear Mountain. It's really smelling good. And it looks like that temperature of the meat is 61 degrees. So we got a ways to go yet. Okay guys, while that ham's getting all heated up, we're going to go ahead and get our glaze ready. I went ahead and emptied the contents from the package came with the ham. So I got that in the saucepan and added 3 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to add our special ingredient. You're going to love it. We got some cherry jam right here. That's going to be good. Cherries and ham, yum, yum. So let's go ahead and get this added, get this heated up, get it stirred, and get it ready. Okay, we got our mixture in here already from the packet. Now we're going to add some of this goodness in. We're not going to be bashful. I think we're going to go ahead and put about half of this container in there. I got half or a little more than half, so we're going to continually stir this till it gets the right texture that we want. We kind of want it like a little paste, so we don't want something that we're just going to put on there and it runs right off. We want it to stick to the ham a little bit. So adding that cherry jelly, or cherry spread, whatever you want to call it, that thickens it up pretty good already. So we're just going to let this get heated up, keep stirring till it's ready. Then once our ham gets up to the right temperature, we'll go ahead and put this on. Okay, this ham's been on here for 2 hours and 15 minutes. And the temperature is 110. And I got my glaze sitting here. We're going to go ahead and put some glaze on here. Look at that baby. She's looking good. And it's going to look even better once we get this glaze on there and it gets cooked in. Here's the consistency you're looking for. Not too thick, not too runny. So we're going to go ahead and put some on the top here. And we're going to brush that in. Get that spread around a little bit. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is looking awesome. Looking awesome. As this cooks, it'll get kind of tacky and really form a nice bark and meat candy on there for us. Get some more around on the back side. Let that run down there a little bit. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. We'll keep an eye on this and maybe put some more on here in 15-20 minutes or so and see how it's doing. We We got her pulled inside here. It's been on that smoker for 3.5 hours. Temperature's up to 140. This thing is smelling good. Can you smell that? Ooh, baby, it's smelling good. Just to recap a little bit before we do that taste test, we put that Montreal Smokehouse maple on there. Heated that RecTeq up to 250. And we smoked it with cherry pellets from Bear Mountain. And once that temperature, that ham got up to 110, which took about 2 hours, we put that cherry glaze on there, which brings us to this point. 3.5 hours in, we're ready for that taste test. Okay, guys, got me some right here. You smelling that? Oh, baby. Got me a little meat candy right here along the edge. We're going in. So good. That's good. That's got so many flavors going on, guys. From those cherry Bear Mountain pellets to that cherry glaze. It is so good. Really good. Guys, give this a try. The wife doesn't like ham. She had a little taste. She loves it too. Guys, give it a try. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Sure, subscribe and share. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.